Morning everyone, how you all doing? 10:30. We're not just got up. Well, Mum has. She's a lazy bum. She didn't get up till about half an hour ago, did you? But I've been up since 6 and I'm still not 100%. I've woken up with a headache. Right, where was I? Me head. Yeah. So I've been up since 6 with me head, so that's why I'm not myself at the minute. Been for a little walk around the site. I should have took yous with me really, but I want to try and get this headache of mine cleared. That's why I haven't done a video yet. Had a little bit of breakfast. Just had like one of them pan of chocolat, as they call them. Yeah. Or anyone that's not sure, just a chocolate croissant pretty much. Just to see if that'd help with the tablets. But yeah, I've no idea what the plans are for today because look, rain, and more rain, and it looks like, yeah, might nip out to the Asda or something later on. If I feel better in myself. But I'm not sure what we're doing through the week. I do want to go and see if it just depends on this weather though. Apparently it's going to be raining all week, so I'm not actually sure what's going to be happening. So at the minute there's nothing really to record. I mean, I'll show you facilities probably later or one of the days anyway of what they've got here. So yeah, so I'll love and leave you for now. When we know what we're doing, we'll catch up with you. So you all take care, see you soon. Hello everyone, we're back at the tent. We've already been out, just seen the clip before. If you're wondering where that is, it's at Scunthorpe Bowls or something, weren't it? I'll see if I can get some pictures online or something and add them in to this video. No, he's had new cars. So basically what it was just a big inflatable area where all the kids can go and jump around and let off and see. So I thought, oh, do something different because we haven't done anything like that with the kids before. Normally soft play, so I thought I'll do something different. So I went to McDonald's after that, got us and the kids something to eat, and then quickly nipped to Asda, and now we're back and look, hasn't really rained that much when we've been out, and now the heavens have opened as soon as we get here. Can't make it up, can you? Horrible weather. Look at it. Might as well say hello if it's on you.
It's not. Oh yeah. Hello.
So yeah, so now had to close the awning door and wait for this to pass. Typical, innit? Yeah, sorry I haven't had much filming today. Normally we're done cooking and that, but with me having this banging headache this morning, I've still got a bit of it now. So I haven't done no cooking or anything today. So yeah, not really much to tell you really, because I want to show you around. I want to show you around the site in a bit, where if this rain stops. But other than that, we'll leave that there. Kids had fun though. That's the main thing. But they had loads of stuff in that place. Obviously bowling for one. That inflatable thing. They had what was that thing? That was like mini golf. Well, they had mini golf outside, and then they had that other thing, snooker golf or something, weren't it? Snooker golf or something. Them axe throwing things as well. Some arcades and that in there. They had a bar there, restaurant. We was going to get some food there, but they're 45 minutes behind, so I thought, well, only get an hour in there anyway, so I thought, right, we'll just go to McDonald's instead. Anyway, I don't think I've said anything much about Withensea, the last trip we was on. Nice site, but it could really, really do with updating in certain places, especially the toilets. Would we go again? Yeah, probably for a weekend at some point. Get to see more of Withensea this next time as well. But no, it.
What are with these cars?
Yeah, I know. Let's show you cars. So yeah, okay. Harvey's showing you all the cars. But no, we'd go back there at some point. It just seems I've done the entertainment, was that's good. I mean, Southerness is still up the top.
Yeah.
That's staying there at the minute. I have had a look on YouTube at Park Dean Resorts. There is some very, very nice ones down Devon and Cornwall. So, we won't be down there anytime soon. I mean, come and look at this. Look. You can probably all hear it. Listen.
Yeah.
Terrible. Look at it. Meant to be nearly summer. Yes, I know we live in England, but wow, no, this time last year it was red hot. So over 20 degrees last year. Now it's barely getting past 10 during the night and barely past 16 during the day. This rain needs to go away. All we've had for literally, I would say, almost 6 months is rain, 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 rain and more rain. That's all we've had here. If anybody's abroad, in America or Europe, anywhere, send that sun that you've got over this way. We need some to dry all this country out, don't we? So we can actually have a decent holiday in the sun. Literally haven't seen the sun at all, I don't think, today. I think I've seen it early hours of this morning. And then for the rest of the day, nothing.
Yeah.
Terrible. But yeah, so anyway, obviously I've got to show you around this site. It's very, very quiet here, very quiet. Especially when it's like now. They said they get busy on the weekends and bank holidays. But literally there's 1, 2, 3, including us 4 people literally on this site that are on their holidays. Like, everyone's in a caravan and we're in a bleeding tent.
Oh, well.
We need the caravan back. Oh, we'll get it back soon. We'll get there. So anyway, until this rain dies off, there's nothing else I can show you because we're just sitting here at the minute, waiting for it to pass. So, catch you all in a bit. Don't forget, I know I say it all the time, but don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free. And it'll mean the world to us. Love you all to bits. See you soon. So if you're camping, you've got your washing up facilities here. Actually come with plugs, these ones as well. Some places don't. And then you've got your washing machines this end and tumble dryers on top. Doing a little bit of washing, haven't we?
Yeah.
And you can access this.
No, but pause it a minute.
So you access it from this way. Can't get down there. Look at that old tractor there, look. Obviously that there is your hard standing. This is your fields. So you can access it from here as well. So over there's where we are. And then you've got all the field here. Clubhouse is in there. I'll show you that in a bit. Or before, whenever I put these in. Catch you in a bit. Now everyone, just sorting the tumble dryer out. Oh, might as well show you while I'm here. Got some little arcades here, look, for the kiddies. Got the clubhouse in there. Best time for this to come those weekends when they're busy, because I did say that they only open that when they're busy. You've got some more toilets there. You've got all these pictures all the way around from here, all the way around. You've got horses in that field over there. Comes all the way around. And you've got more pictures behind this trailer here. And I reckon you can pitch right behind. You can see a little electrical box here. I think you can pitch all the way over there, which is non-electric. I'm going to take you over this side in a bit. But yeah, this is Willow Fields. This is the area where they have all the festivals and Vanlife festivals and all other bits and bobs. They do fireworks on bonfire night and things like that as well. Even got little fire pits here, which obviously need emptying out for when they have the festivals, I'm guessing. Toilets over there. Not going to show you them because we're not using them ones, we're using the other ones. I'll show you them when I'm next there. Yeah, nice little place. Not sure what that is like, they must open that when it's summer. But I've got a nice little bar in here. Not sure if we can have a look through the window. Because they do slush peppers and that, and drinks and everything there on tap. Nice little place. Definitely worth coming, probably through the weekend when everything's open and it's all thriving. But yeah, got some arcades there for the kids, 2p machines there. You can see they're not on there, you open them when it's busy, I think. But yeah, we'll take you over there when we're back over. There's no point doing it from here. I would take you all the way round, but I might do it through the week. We'll see. We're still here till Friday and it's only Tuesday. Not sure about this place. I think it's a holiday let, I'm not sure. And then down here, I don't know why that says urinals, because I don't actually know if there's another way to get to the toilets around the back. But obviously you've got your tumble dryer, waiting for that one to be done actually. Just done a bit of washing up. There. And obviously your main entrance is over there. So yeah, and your hard standing, which I'll show you that when I go to the toilets. Toilets are at the end here. So yeah, it's a lovely site. I think it's £19 a night for non-electric. And then I think it's £25 a night for a serviced pitch, which I'm guessing is just for your electric, which are these ones around the sides, all the way around. So it's like a U-shape really. All the way around to here. You're right. And then I think it's £35 a night for the, and you've got obviously some Wildcat non-electric here, which I'll show you, and then where we are is like £35 a night, but they plonked us there, so we only paid the 25 a night, but I'm not sure. Here's Tina.
Hello.
So yeah, I ain't got much footage really, have I, today? Well, we haven't really done much apart from went out for an hour, didn't we?
Yeah.
So can't see her, there she is. But with this rain, I mean, look at this here, you've got nice sunny sky there, and I'll show you now. Look at the clouds there. So it's going to rain again. Typical British weather. So I'll catch you in a bit when we get back to our bit, and I'll show you that section. Here you go. These pictures here are non-electric. You can tell they haven't got the ports for them. But these ones, where we are, have also got a tap on and the electric. So yeah, these must be the superior ones, I'm guessing. I ain't sure, but yeah, there's the tent. And if anyone can't remember it, or are new subscribers that want to know what tent we've got,
Stop now.
it's right there. Yes, it's a Van Gogh Experience Stargrove 2 Air 450. That's our tent. It says 4 berth, but I can tell you one thing now. There's 5 of us already. Me, Tina, Mum, Andrew and Harvey. All we do is put a bed where there's one there. It's a bit of a mess at the minute. But yeah, lovely place. Let's have a look. Shall we have a pan around from here? Yeah, let's do a slow-mo pan around. let's have a listen. It's right quiet, but you can hear all the birds, so I'm going to be quiet. Let's just have a listen for a few seconds. It's lovely. Good evening, everyone. Want to say hello?
Yeah.
Harvey saying hi in the background.
Hi.
Oh.
Can't see me. Hello.
Just about. Got the little lights on. Just chilling at the minute now. It's 10:15. What?
What were your voice, Mandy, and that?
It's alright. Kids are in bed because we've got an interesting day tomorrow. We're going somewhere that we haven't been to before, and one place I haven't been to. Well, something similar to it since I was like a kid.
I can use that gun. I need weeds tonight.
Yeah. I went to something like this when I was little, very little, probably when I was Harvey's age. So it'll be like old childhood memories, not to the place we're going to, but a different one. But going to be interesting tomorrow, and kids should like it as well. So you'll have to all come with us, won't you? I'll show you what's there. So I thought I'll do this video now because it's only like probably 10 to 10 now, and basically say good night to you all. So yeah, don't forget, give us a subscribe. I know I keep saying it, but I want to get the channel up there. I want to get it built up there. Give us a like, give us a comment, give us a share, do all the good stuff. Really appreciate it. So good night, everybody. You want to say good night?
Night. Night.
And we'll see you in the morning. Ta-da, take care.